Let's talk about the myth in astrology. Everybody think astrology is religious or it belongs to Hindu culture, but it's actually a science. We all know it's about universe, it's about planets. This planet, all the planets, all the solar system is hanging with the electromagnetic field of each other. If one planet drops out of that solar system, the entire balance will get flop and everybody will fall down. Now when they are having a magnetism, now they are, for me astrology is like a mathematics. It's like finding the degree, the formula. Now if you look at each planet, has, when we search sun, we can have the diameter. When we have moon, we can have the diameter, the length, the gases inside, the earth inside, or whatever is available there. We can read about it, we can learn about it. Similarly, these planets are at whatever the distance they are, it's calculated as a degree in our astrology world. Now if you're born in US or Canada, or if you're born in India, there is a time difference there. There is a sunrise difference there. So it shows when you're born, your date of birth tells us about your latitude and longitude, how the plane lands, and when the plane lands, you understand that plane needs the coordinates to land. Similarly, when you are born, there is a coordinate which you took and you landed on Earth. That coordinate is the space picture. That when you landed, where was the sun, where was the Mercury, where was the Jupiter, where was the Saturn, and what degree they were watching you, what kind of, whether their light was direct on you or not. Now let's understand the simplest form of astrology. See, your birthday comes every 12 months. Like if my birthday is in August, it will come in next August. Why not in 6 months? Why not in 10 months? That's the beauty, because there are planets. Now these 12 boxes for each month, 12 boxes is defined in astrology. Now each boxes represents about me, my lifetime, my role or my movie or my coding or script of this lifetime. First box will tell me who I am, what I will do. Second box will tell me which family I am born, from where I will get the money. Third box will tell me what could be my performance, what could be my education, what could be my brother and sisters. Fourth box will tell me what kind of home I will live, whether I will have home, whether I will have villas, whether I will have cars, how will be my mom. Fifth will tell me about my children, about my education, about how I will have fun in my life. Sixth will tell me what kind of job I will do, what kind of sickness I will get, what kind of problems I will get. Seventh will tell me what kind of partners I will get associated with, or my life partner or my bosses or my associates around me. Eighth will tell me what is expectation of other people from me, what is behind the scene, what are they talking behind me, are they talking good about me, my family, my bosses, my colleagues. Eighth house is problems behind the scene. Ninth house is karma. Are you born today? I'm born with some karma from past life. Is it I need to finish some chapters, or I am born with some good luck? This all is quantified in the ninth. 10th box is defined as what kind of luck I have bring, what I will do, what my father will do, whether I will do business or not, whether I will be a good businessman or not, or profit or loss. 11th will tell me what kind of balance sheet I will be having, what kind of import export I will do, what kind of travels I will do, whether I will be settled in different country or not. If your 11th box is not active, you will not be able to settle in any country. 12th box will tell me how will I die, what's my lifetime, what is my weakness, what is my depth, where I spend all my money, where I am spending, what's my weakness in the entire journey of my lifetime, what is my end goal, what am I come to achieve here. Now this is the 12th system the universe has created. Now the planets fits into these 12 boxes. These planets, if you Google it, just Google sun sign and body parts. Each sun sign is ruled on our body. So if there is, for example, the head comes from Aries, the neck, the throat comes from Taurus, this comes from Cancer, this comes from Leo, then hands come from the Gemini. So if you go Virgo, The stomach comes from the Virgo. If you look at the entire body parts, all planets are sitting on us. So when we have a name and the date of birth of someone, that date of birth can define that which organs are working and which organs are blocked, and which chakras are working and which chakras are blocked. Even though which petal is working and which petal is blocked, which vein is working and which vein is blocked. So entire script can be downloaded from this astrology. So the person does not meet us directly in our office, and we are not doing the electromagnetic field checker, we are not doing the measurement of frequencies. We just by date of birth we can decode, because all these solar system planets are sitting on our body, and they are the owners of each body part, and that body part has one chakra associated with it, one emotion associated, one color associated, one shape associated with it, one metal associated with it, one yoga associated with it, one sign associated with it. So for example, for me, it's like, let's say the Cancer for my chest. Now Cancer people works very good for me, because in my date of birth programming, or my system, the heart chakra is very good. So my giving and taking is so balanced, so I can help other people to come out of the tunnel. You know, this counseling job or this kind of consultant job is like people are in the tunnel and they are stuck in some anxiety or whatever their issue is. Consultants like me, healers like me, they have energy to go to that tunnel and bring them out to the light. This is exactly we define our job is. We are not telling you take left, take right, take left, take right. No, we are hand holding you and bringing you out. This is where we are different. So now when we talk about astrology, and this is, you know, the way we work is, the way we do our workshops and our programs is, it's a learning based programs. It's not that you pay and get your work done. We want people who are committed for change. We want people who want to know about themselves, learn about themselves, and handle their own steering after some time. This is what our journey is. So here, let's decode each, that from these astrology consultations, or when these astrology consultations are combined with your Bio 7 and chakras, what you can get out of this. So there are 12 major questions which people get to know from us, which guide them about their astrological journey or their life path journey with us.